Maschinenfabrik Niedersachsen Hannover, a tank factory from the time of the Third Reich, was one of the key components of Nazi Germany's war industry. Established in 1939, or according to some sources, as early as 1937, MNH operated facilities in Hanover, Laatzen and Ahlem. The company played a significant role in the production of German tanks, especially the Panther tanks, with 30% of all Panther tanks built between 1943 and 1945, manufactured at MNH. During World War II, MNH was one of the 9 leading companies producing tanks, supplying 90% of fully assembled vehicles. By 1944, the company had about 3,383 employees and was the 6th largest arms manufacturer in the region. Production was carried out at 2 main sites, one in Laatzen and the other in the Linden district of Hanover. In 1944, the construction of an underground factory in Ahlem began, where parts for tanks, aircraft and artillery were to be produced. Around 1,000 Polish Jews, prisoners from the Auschwitz concentration camp, were forced to work under inhumane conditions to expand the underground tunnels. Production never commenced, but the tragic working conditions led to the death of half of the 1,500 forced laborers. Following Allied bombings in March 1945, MNH production was stopped. The Linden plant was seized by American troops on April 10, 1945. The Ahlem camp was evacuated, with its prisoners forced into a deadly death march to Bergen-Belsen. Of the approximately 180 survivors, at least 51 died in hospitals after liberation. After the war, the MNH facility in Linden was dismantled, while the factory in Laatzen was used by the British until 1957.